I'm Nancy from MovinsEdition. I'll introduce a camo sneakers item from Brooks in the MovinsEdition series. It's the Brooks Heritage Men's BST1 Camo Collection product with only one new product from MovinsEdition. Brooks have just revealed a whole collection of camo styles, utilizing subtle variations of the classic M81 camouflage pattern. The Beasts have donned this military uniform, with tonal greens and grays hammering home the combat aesthetic. Unlike the Spartan lifestyle you'd expect from any army campaign, the retro runners are built for comfort, leaving you in no danger of a dishonorable discharge. The resulting beast is a herbivore that shows its taste for root vegetables via an orange tone playing out across its upper. Spots of blue and white complement the daring color, making for a shoe that might not improve your vision, but is definitely a good look. It's a model that can be stylish in a camo style. I'm sure you like or dislike camo colors, but I think it'll be the best item for those who like it. These are camo pattern sneakers, so they really look like military sneakers. A style from the past meets modern interpretation of the future. Suede synthetic and textile upper materials. Lace-up closure. Lightly padded tongue and collar. Soft, breathable fabric lining offers a great inch feel. Removable molded foam insole for light underfoot comfort. Synthetic outsole provides reliable grip and traction. The model is made up of various materials, and the variety of materials is interesting. It would be nice to give a gift to someone in the army. This is a new product from MovinsEdition that only has one. Camo sneakers from Brooks BST1. It's the Brooks Heritage Men's BST1 Camo Collection product with only one new product from MovinsEdition. It's a model that can be stylish in a camo style. Bye!